Hello everyone, welcome you in Tute and Code. Today we will be discussing about Iterator. This will help you to iterate the data in the container, anything, whatever container you are using. That I will help you to somehow come with the approach where you will be able to access the data very easily. You won't have to need to worry about what really we should to use. Okay, so first, iterator it's really a very important thing when you are studying this STL. Okay, let me first tell. First of all, this iterator is nothing but just like a pointer. If you have a pair of pointer, it's fine. Else I will going to discuss it here only. So pointer is what? It's something which is going to point a particular value or a particular position. It will be a vector. It is going to point a particular position in a container. Either it is vector, list, map, set, another set, whatever it is. It is going to point a particular position. So there is different way to use the iterator. In earlier version, we have to do explicitly, but now we having some shortest way to do that. Both thing I will compare both, and you can come into a situation where you would be able to analyze, okay, which thing you would be getting like, and which all you will be using. So see, it's nothing but a pointer to point a particular position. Okay, so nothing but a particular position in an container, I can say any container. It is not specific to the vector or anything. Okay, so let's start. First, how we are going to declare the vector. So declare, sorry, not vector, how we are going to declare this iterator. So first of all, you would have to know why you are declaring this iterator, right? It is because you want to iterate over the data. Then you should have to be know that, okay, what type of data I have. Suppose I'm having a vector which is containing a string type of data. Okay, suppose this one, this vector, suppose your student name it is. Okay, all students are there whose name you want to store inside a vector, right? Suppose let me put some student. Okay, it is okay. Now we want that, we wanted to iterate it with the help of iterator. Somehow I want with the help of iterator. So I will be declaring a iterator, but what type of iterator I need? So I need a vector iterator because it is going to iterate over the data, which is a vector on the container, which is a vector, and what type of data it is, that is of type string, and how we have declared that we should to take care. So my vector is in this format only. So sometime you might be having declaring it with a pair and all. So the same data type, whatever data type it is, the same data type you have to take inside the iterator. So now you have to write first the whole how data structure you are using. So now I am using a vector of type string, that's normal one. I have mentioned this. Okay, that's fine. Now you have to tell that, okay, I will be taking it as an iterator. So some different type of declaration it is, which needs 2:. After passing this 2:, you have to write iterator. Okay, this iterator, now just give the name to get, that's it. If you want to initialize, you can initialize the start value of the iterator. It is nothing but like right now it will tell, okay, I am a iterator with the name of itr, what value you want me to start. Okay, so it is nothing but just like a loop. Okay, just like a loop. Let's say I want, how we try to loop int I equals to 0 and less than whatever you want, right? In the same way here, what I will tell, okay, I have a data type of this thing which is so called iterator. You can go ahead with this. So I already have this data type defined. I no need to do anything like how we normally we do, like int I. If you have declared this I beforehand, then you no need to tell, okay, it is int, which is I of int type. No, as the same way I told that itr is nothing but it is of this type, This is nothing but type for the ITR. Now I will tell, okay, I want to iterate over this vector, which is nothing but ITR equals to student dot begin, same way how generally we do, but it will be little different. I want till end. So until unless end is not coming, you have to run. As we know, if we are pointing something, means if you want to take the data, then it will be iterating. If you are passing the last data as index 5, then only till index 4 you will be able to get the data. Basically it is the count. Okay, so from 0 to 4 it is 5 element. Okay, so if you are passing whatever number, whatever, then last will be excluded. Okay, just you have to take care in single word, whatever you will pass the last pointer, that will be excluded. That's it. So now I'm going to pass student dot end. So what it is telling, you have to start from begin and you have to go until and unless you don't reach end. If you are reaching end, then it is exit. It will exit. Okay. Now this iterator having this facility, you can increment this. How you increment the number? The same. Okay. Let's print the value. See. As already I told you, this iterator is nothing but a pointer. So whatever ITR will give me, that is nothing but a pointer. How we can access the pointer? I made it easy. I'm making it easy. That's why I'm putting it into bracket. It's not compulsory, just for understanding purpose. This ITR is nothing but a pointer. I'm trying to access the value of this pointer. That's why I will be using star, which will tell, okay, I'm going to access the value, whatever it is stored at this address or this pointer. So it is accessing the value of this pointer. Okay, so whatever stored value it is there in this address, they will access. Now see the output. You can run it by Control plus B easily. Okay, let me add some more data. Check the output. See, I have done, but I haven't given the space or any. It's not recommending, but I don't know why. Let's see. See, Avi and Avi Gupta, Abhishek. So this is coming. This output is whatever we are expecting, that is coming. Now the thing is, it is not always I will be using from 0 to last index. Sometime I might be some customization. So yeah, you can do this. Just go ahead until, okay, I want from index 2, so I will be adding 2. So basically if you are telling a student dot begin only, then it will tell you the 0th index. If you are adding any number, so it will skip to that index. It will start from that index. It will go till here. Whatever condition you are telling, I am telling, okay, I don't want this one, I don't want this end. So till end it will not reach. As soon as it is reaching at end, it will get exit. Okay, so let's run the code and check it. So only Abhishek is there. By from index 2 to end. So 0, 1, 2. So from Abhishek to Abhishek, that is okay. So let's see. And you run this and see the output. To data I am getting, that is okay. Now I can say, okay, it is not compulsory that I will be doing ITR not equals to student. Suppose I'm telling, okay, every time you just do, whenever it is less than up to end, means it will not reach to the end, it will just before the end, it will going till that only. So output will be the same. It is the different way how we are writing. Okay, output should be as it is. Now if I'm telling you go till end, so what value you have this end, student dot end, it doesn't contain anything. Let's see the output and observe it, what it is giving me. Nothing is there, because it will it is reached at the end only. So whatever you want, that will stop. It is less than or equal to end. So as soon as it is reaching end, nothing value is there for this one, as it is excluding the last one. Okay, so now I have this 3 value and I can iterate depending on what we want. So it is the standard from 0 to end, it will take by default. Okay, so these 3 data we are getting. So this is the one way. And second way, I will tell you, I'm not gonna to use this ITR thing, but I will be using this pointer iterator only, but I will not be declaring this one. So there is a shorthand we can use. That is nothing but so-called auto keyword. We having an implementation of, or not implementation, you can say C++ in the latest version is providing a C++ 14, 12 you can use. So you will be getting this auto keyword. Okay, with this, with the help of auto keyword, you can reduce this line. There is no need to take care of this ITR and all that. Okay, so auto, suppose I'm taking in I. Okay, same way how you have done this student.begin and all, what the same thing I will be doing, just I'm not going to use this ITR which we have defined here. Okay, so let's see how it is. Student.begin I'm doing, I will be going till less than student.end. Until and unless I'm not reaching at end, it will not close the execution. Okay, I++. So what it is doing the same thing whatever it is doing in the ITR. It will start from the first point. It will be pointing the first element. It will go till until and unless it is not reaching at end, and it will be increasing the pointer by 1 every time. That's it. What we are expecting, that is the purpose. Okay, let's see the output. The same way we have to exit the same as it is, because it is also a pointer. Just only the declaration is becoming simple here, which I prefer to use. It will make your life very easy. Trust me. Just check the output first. Okay. I will be doing this one so that from the next time I can get the output in next line. For the better understanding, I'm doing this. Let's do Control B, you will get the output. There is something which we did wrong. I less than student.end colon is expected. Somewhere we did wrong. This is not expected, man. Let's see the output. Same output we are getting. Now it is your call what from where you want. Check the output. Okay, so it's how iterator we are going to use. Why iterator is helpful. So it will help you to run over the container. See, you have the container. It is vector, set, map, unorder map, list, unorder list, multi-map, multi-set, whatever it is. You can utilize this iterator there. So now I will show you one more example here. See, we are having this student. Now I want to delete from index 0 to 1. So what I will do, I will just line one line of code. It will do complete my work. Student dot remove function is there. It's to recommend. It's not recommending. Let's erase, I guess. Okay, let's see. Now I will be passing. It's a wrong way to declaration. See, we having erase method where we are going to pass the pointer. Okay, let's try. I guess student dot erase. Let's try it first. What we have, student dot begin from index 0 to I want till index 2. All the elements should be deleted, I believe. First run this. So now this is fine. This is fine. In this way only we can do. Let's print the output. What and all we are getting. See, nothing is there. How can we know? Okay, it is not there. So let's try from index 0 to index 1. It will get the data from index to 1. So one only data we are having, that is the last one. Okay, so this is what expecting. This is gonna to expect a sequential data, whatever you want, from where to where you want to exclude the data. So erase will be telling if you need to delete first element, then third, then fifth. That will not work here. If you need a sequential deletion of an object inside a any type of container, at that time you can use this erase method. Okay, see, sometime you might be getting some containers there where internal implementation is somehow different. So sometime you might be getting that erase method is getting more costlier. So depending on what type of data structure you're utilizing, you can use their method. Okay, so just like a sort of thing how you can utilize this iterator. That's one way how you are going to delete the element inside an array. The same way you can just pass whatever from suppose index 1 to index 1 I want, just only one element I want, and also you can do this the same way, no issue. Okay, just one element has been deleted, that is index 1 to one element. Okay, so basically exact how it is working, it will start from index 1 and it will go from index 1 to all the element which is reaching in between and this one, so it will be including this one as well. So in some time you might be looking that this is getting excluded, but erase is going to ask you exact index from where to where you want. Okay, so you have to provide from location to location how many data you want to delete. Okay, so this is one another way, another use of iterator. And one more thing, just in comparison, you can iterate here with the help of this indexing, but all the cases indexing will not working. Like in vector, it will fine, but you will see in map, indexing is not there. Indexing is there with the help of key, but with the help of iterator, this auto keyword, you would be able to get it very well. Okay, so first way of declaration of this iterator is this in a simple, like suppose right now I am having one more different way. See, I have a vector which is not only a string. If you are aware of this pair, it's fine. Else I will be covering it only for the pair in some one more video. But for now, just you think we having a complex data here, and now we want iterator on top of that. So how can I do that? So pair is asking for two data, first is key and second is value. So I have int and string. Suppose I want student data where for each roll number I want their name. Okay, so I will be telling okay, student dot pushback. I want to push a data which will be a pair, so I'm providing a pair. We can provide insert with the help of a curly braces. So now first I will be giving is okay, this is index and this will be the name. That's fine. So now if I want to iterate with the help of exact iterator, how I will be declaring this iterator? So simple, what we have done, we are just analyzing what type of data structure we are utilizing. So the same data structure we will be using for the creating this iterator. So I have this of pair, int and string, right? So this is so called same way. I will be writing iterator and just make the name. That's it. Now how you can iterate the same way how we have iterated here. Same way we will be doing it. Student dot begin. I'm trying to run loop from 0 to end. The same way here I will be running from begin to end. Okay. Until and unless I have to go, it's not getting end of the array or vector, whatever you can say. And you can tell okay, you have to increment by 1 pointer. You can increment by 2, 3, 4, whatever you want. This time using so that I can take all the element. Now I want this value, but see how can I access? I can't access because this it is a iterator which is pointing a particular location. This particular location having a pair. Okay, so this pair is having a key and value. So for a pair, how we access, that is a different way of accessing the data. For better understand how we can print this. So right now we are iterating it with the help of iterator, right? So this it is having each pair. Okay, so each pair we are having key and value. Key will be an integer and value is a string. So how we will be getting those data? So we can think like first we will be getting the value of this iterator. This iterator having two things, key and value. So I will access the key first and then I will try to access the value. So now how can I get the value? This will be value will be getting with the help of second keyword. So key you can get if you have a pair, then you just have to use first and second. First will be the key, second will be the value. So now I have this second. That's it. It will it will give you the value. So now just you can think this one, you can make it a one line, one more line where you will declaring it as a pair, and on that pair you can just iterate the value. Else we can think like, okay, this will give me first element of this st is what, this is a vector. Okay, so first element, then next, then next to next. So whatever it is giving me in the iterator it, so that is a pair. So now how I will be accessing? First I have accessed the value. Now their first keyword and their second keyword we are accessing. So this is the one way. Let's see the answer. What I'm getting. Already I have executed this here. So now we'll see the different way. One easy way. So we will be using an auto keyword. Let's see this one I, and we are having this st. That's it. Nothing more than that. Same way how you are doing here, the same way we will be executing. Let's try. This it would be I, that's it. I hope so this will work. Let's check it, what's wrong in this. Okay, this I have I, where I will be getting the okay. So this is nothing but an iterator. Okay, I guess you can access this directly. Let's see. I will tell you why. Okay, so this is here exactly iterator we are accessing. Now it's iterator, but this with the help of auto keyword while we are accessing pair. At that time you have the access for directly. It's a pair. It's not a, for now it's not a treating as a pointer internally. So at that time you can access directly rather than accessing the value first for the pointer, then you are getting. It's not like that for this auto keyword. So sometime you have to take care. You will look sometime. See here you are getting the value. Just remove it. What will happen? Let's see. Okay. So sometime this type of difference you will get. You will be getting this being resolved when you are using it more. Means on use you will get the difference why it is coming. So at that time if it is pair, then auto keyword will be telling you okay it's fine, but you don't need to access with the help of this, like how we are accessing with for the pointer. Okay, so I believe I have discussed all the thing which is really needed for the pointer. Thanks for watching the video, and please, if you really like this video, don't forget to hit share, subscribe and like button. This is gonna to motivate me to put the next video. I hope so you like this video, and we'll meet soon in the next video. Thank you.